showed you about the installation of the Launstein floors, we'd like to tell you about how we ship it and get it to your destination. What Paul's working on here is building pallets and putting the flooring on the pallets so that it will come to you via common carrier. Companies such as CCX, FedEx Freight will bring this load right to your house or to a local terminal where you can pick it up. If you choose to have it come to your house, have a pair of tin snips handy so that you can cut the bands once the load arrives. If you choose to pick it up at the terminal, usually a half-ton or three-quarter-ton pickup truck will be enough to pick up your floor. If you choose not to have your load delivered to you, you can come to our warehouse here and pick it up. Or if the order is small enough, we can send it through UPS. When we do send the floors through UPS, we box it in boxes like this that come stapled shut and taped together if there's more than one. UPS usually does a pretty good job for sending the flooring. We ship our finish, our oil-based polyurethane boxes like this, which will come on top of your common carrier load. And the same with the adhesive. Now this particular load is going to Durango, Colorado, so it's about a 4 or 5 day transit time. To the East Coast, we're in Michigan, to the East Coast it's about a 2 to 3 day transit time. And anywhere out in the Midwest, Colorado, or further west is 4 to 5 days. Now, if you want to order just adhesive or just the polyurethane, we have to send that through U.S. mail because of the hazardous material. But overall, we try to take good care of the floor once you order it. If you'd like to order the floor and hold it here for a month or 2 or 3, that would be fine. We have 2 large warehouses where we can do that. So, to wrap things up, once again, if you have any questions about anything that we've went over, you can call us at our office at 1-888-339-4639 or on the website www.launstein.com.